Hi, today I'm going to show you how to show guides in Google Slides. If you want to display guides, you need to go to View tab, and after that you need to go to Guides. Here you have different options to choose. I recommend you first to select this one option, Show Guides, or you can try to use this one shortcut from your keyboard if you want. So I click here to display it, and now we will see here two guides, vertical and horizontal guide. How you see it has been successfully displayed here, but of course we can add here another guides. For example, we can press and hold left mouse button on the ruler, and then we can change position of the guide where we want to insert it. For example, I will insert it somewhere here. And of course we can repeat this action for another guide. For example, I will press and hold left mouse button on this ruler, and I will add here another guide, maybe somewhere here. And now it may be really useful if you want to add here the object. For example, I can change position of this rectangle to these guides, and how you see it is really easy now to do it. So in this way you can easily add the guides in Google Slides. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.